Good morning everyone and welcome back to the online classes of geography. The topic that we are going to discuss today is the calculation of time when the longitude is given. So we will calculate the local time of a place when the longitude is given and the calculation of longitude when the time is given. So before we move on to today's calculation, let us learn what does local time and the standard time means. So what do you mean by local time and standard time? So the concept of local time and standard time, it must be clear in your mind so that it will be able to calculate the local time of a place when the longitude is given. So what do you mean by local time? Local time is the time of that place which is decided or that is decided by the movement of the sun. The local time of a place is always calculated with the help of the movement of the sun. As we all know, our earth consists of imaginary, how many lines of longitude we have? 360 lines of longitude. We have 360 lines of longitude and the sun appears to move in these every lines of longitude in how many hours? 24 hours. So in 24 hours, sun appears to move at every lines of longitude. Or we can also say the sun appears to move at 1 degree of longitude in how many minutes? 4 minutes. Sun appears to move at 1 degree of longitude after every 4 minutes. So, suppose this is a meridian that lies in 24 degree west. Time in this meridian will be 12 noon. The places that lies in this meridian, they will have the time 12 noon. So that means all the places that lies in longitude 24 degree west, the time out there is 12 noon. Why 12 noon? Because the sun is directly overhead in this meridian. And all the places of this meridian, they will have 12 noon. And it is known as the local time of this meridian. So the local time of a meridian is decided by the movement of the sun. So when the sun is overhead on any meridian, the local time of that place is 12 noon. And the local time of a place is always calculated with the help of a longitude. So longitude play a very important factor to calculate the local time of a place. But to know the local time of that longitude, the sun play a very important role. So the local time of a longitude is decided by the movement of the sun. And the local time is calculated with the help of a longitude of a place. And the standard time. What do you mean by standard time? Standard time of a place, it is a time which is decided by the longitude that passes through the center of the country or the longitude that passes through important town or cities of that country. So, the standard time is very important because it will not create any kind of confusion within a country. For example, a country like India, it consists of 30 degree of longitude that passes through India, the country India. And if India will follow a time with the help of each longitude, it will create a lot of confusion within a country. So, in order to solve the confusion of time, there is a central meridian that passes through the central portion of a country at the longitude of 82 degree 30 minute east, which decide the time of India. So now let us again learn to calculate the local time of a place when the longitude is given with the help of an example. Students, you know why I am teaching this calculation again? Because you are going through a new method of teaching and learning process, that is online teaching and learning process. So you might face a lot of difficulties to understand. It is not like how we used to be in our class. And the second reason is this repetition of calculation is for the special students who take time to learn. So who take time in understanding. So this is for them. So what your question says? Your question says, if the GMT at 0 degree longitude is 12 noon, find the local time of station A that lies at 42 degree east and station B 60 degree west. As I have already told you, first you have to read the question very carefully and try to find out what is given in your question and what is asked in your question. So what is given in your question? GMT that lies at 0 degree longitude is 12 noon. It is already given in your question. GMT. So after reading a question very carefully, what you have to do? You have to draw the line of longitude which is given in your question and what is asked in your question, so that it will be easy for you to calculate. So GMT that lies at 0 degree longitude, the time out there is 12 noon. And what is asked in your question? Find the local time of station A. Station A that lies at 42 degree east. So station A that lies at 42 degree east. This is a lines of longitude. 0 degree line of longitude which divide our earth into two hemispheres, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So 42 degree east lies in the eastern hemisphere. Station A. And station B that lies in the 60 degree west. And station B that lies at 60 degree west. So you have to make this kind of diagram with the help of a longitude, what is given in your question and what is asked in your question. Now here you have to find the time of these two places. Now what you have to do? Take this 42 into 4. Why 4? Because the sun appears to move at every meridian at the rate of 4 minutes. That's why 4. So 42 into 4 will give you how much? 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. 168 minute. Now you have to convert this minute into hours. So how to convert minute into hours? Divide by 60. 168 divide by 60 will give you how much? Okay, let us calculate in this way. 61 is 60, 62 is 120 and 63 is 180. So 180, 63 it won't be. So how much it will go? 62 is 120. Now what you have to do? Minus 8. How much you will get? 48 point. 6 8 is 48. So what is the answer you got? 2 hours and 8 minutes. Now what you have to do? Since this station A lies in the eastern hemisphere, what you have to do? Now you have to add these hours with this 12 noon. 12 noon plus how many hours? 2 hours and 8 minutes. Add this. Why addition? Because the station A lies at the eastern hemisphere. So how much you got? 14:08 minutes. So if you calculate the time in 24 hours, the time will be 14 past 8 minutes. And if you calculate the time in 12 hours, then the time will be 2 past 8 minutes. It is PM. Because after 12 hours, what we have? The first 12 hours is AM and the second 12 hours is PM. So, it is 14 past 8 minutes PM. So, the time is 14 past 8 minutes PM. And if you calculate the time in 12 hours, the time is 2 past 8 minutes PM. 2 past 8 PM. So, this is a way how to calculate a local time when the longitude is given. Now, let us move on to the Western Hemisphere. Western Hemisphere, what you have to do? Same thing, 60 into 4. How much you will get? 6 4s are 24. Then, what you have to do? You have to convert into hours. To convert into hours, divide by 60. 0 0 cut, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 is 24. So, what is the time difference? 4 hours. So, what is the time difference here? 4 hours. So, since this station B lies in the Western Hemisphere, the time will be deducted. 12 noon minus 4 hours. So, what will be the time? 0 0. That is 8 AM. The time at the latitude of 60 degree west will be 8 AM. And the time at GMT will be 12 noon. And the time at 42 degree east will be 2 past 8 minutes. So, this is a way how to calculate a time when the longitude is given. Now, let us calculate the longitude of a place when the time is given. So, in previous question, we have calculated the local time when the longitude was given. Now, in this question, we will calculate the longitude when the time is given. So, what your question says? Your question says, what is the longitude of station A whose local time is 6 PM while GMT is 12 noon? As I have already told you that while calculating the longitude or time of a place, what you have to do, you have to read the question very carefully and try to find out what is given in your question and what is asked in your question. After that, you draw a line of longitude, what is given in your question and what is asked in your question. Now, let us do it. So, what is the longitude of station A whose local time is 6 PM while GMT is 12 noon? So, this is already given in your question. GMT is 12 noon. What you have to find? We have to find the time of, we have to find the longitude of station A whose local time is 6 PM. So, this is asked and this is given. GMT, which lies at 0 degree longitude, and the time out there is 12 noon. So, the GMT which lies at 0 degree longitude, the time out there is 12 noon. It is already given in your question. Now, what we have to do? We have to find a longitude of station A whose local time is 6 PM. So, the time 6 PM, it is evening or morning? It is evening. So, if the GMT, the time out there is 12 noon, it is a midday. So, the places that lies at the eastern side of GMT, they will have evening. And the places that lies at the western side of the GMT, they will have morning. Why? Because the places that lies at the eastern side of GMT, they are ahead. If the GMT is having a 12 noon, they will have evening. And the places that lies at the western side of GMT, they are late. If the GMT are having if the GMT is having 12 noon, midday, then the places that lies at the western side, they will have morning. So with the help of time, we have come to know the longitude lies somewhere in the eastern side, but we don't know at which longitude. Now what we have to do, take this 6 p.m. and multiply with 60 to convert it into minute. So 6 is 36. 360 minute. After this, what we have to do, after converting into minute, now divide by 4. Why divide by 4? Because as I have already told you, because the sun appears to move at every longitude at the rate of 4 minutes. So that's why divide by 4. Or we can also say the time taken by the sun to cross 1 degree of longitude, it takes 4 minutes. That's why we have to divide by 4. So how much you will get? 4 9s are 36 0. So what is the answer? 90 degree. And with the help of time, we have come to know that it is located in the eastern hemisphere. So that's why 90 degree east. So now we have come to know from 0 degree at what longitude it is located. It is located at 90 degree east. The station A is located at 90 degree east. So at what degree the station A is located? At 90 degree east. So this is how we calculate the longitude of a place. So this was about the today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.